Hello everybody, and welcome back to Mind Your Money. If you are a returning subscriber / supporter, thank you so very much. You guys are the real MVP and I appreciate you. If this is your very first time coming to the channel, hello again. My name is Tasha. I am the host of this channel. I'm a wife, a mother, the blogger behind TashaLovesLife.com. And we have started this channel as a way to document our journey to debt freedom, financial independence, and building generational wealth. So if that interests you, along with budgeting, saving money, earning money, and getting out of debt, then please don't hesitate to click that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I have a new video uploaded on the channel. Now, I'm doing something a little different today, guys. I'm sharing with you this Excel tracker that I've created a few months back. The emergency fund that we're tracking because it's going to share the percentage of the goal that we've reached so far. And also we are tracking the 10 grand savings challenge, which again is on pause. And if you have seen my October spending update, we spent probably all of what was left in that account for certain things. Some things that we spent from that account we did not share because they're personal, but most of what we spent from that account happened in October. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in the cards and you can check that out if you want to. And then also I'm going to share with you guys my debt tracker, and we're also tracking that one for each of the last 5 loans that I have left. So I have not updated this past October 31st of 2020, but I just wanted to give you guys a visual and see if you like it, if this is something you think that you could use in your debt-free journey or just your regular budgeting. Because again, I've set up all of the formulas, so all you need to do is type in your loan or your debt or whatever it is. Now I'm going to check on the emergency fund first, and this is our emergency fund tracker in Excel. So what I did was, in column A, you'll see here that the emergency fund goal is broken down from 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, and 12 months. And our goal is 8 months, which is $19,104. And if you've seen the savings challenge updates, if you have seen the savings challenge updates that I have set up, you'll know that we've rounded that number to $19,000, and we're tracking that by pen and paper and shading in. So I hope that you guys enjoy that. This is just a more basic functional Excel spreadsheet that is showing us the percentage of the goal that we've reached and how long it will take us to reach that goal if we were to, say, attack it 3 months at a time. So the dollar amount for 1 month of worth of expenses for us is $2,388. And then you can see it goes up as you go down this column in column B. So 3 months is $7,164. 6 months is $14,328, excuse me. And 8 months is $19,104, and 12 months is $28,656. Okay, so we have completed, as of the date this tracker was last updated, which has been a while, we completed the 1 month some time ago, so there's nothing left to contribute to get to 1 month. We have $712.86 to get to 3 months, and everything in column F will automatically calculate as you fill in this section here at the bottom. Column A, from rows 8 through 12. Every time you update the amount that's in that account, it will automatically calculate the percentage you have left to reach the goal. And then also it will change in column F from rows 2 through 6. It will automatically change the amount left to reach that goal. So I put 3 months here just because I felt like it was a simple way, and that could be 3 weeks even, because it's just 3 different payments. So 3 months, if you pay $712.86 every month for 3 months, you'll reach the 3 months goal, and so on and so forth. Because we are aggressively paying off the debt now, we've slowed down contributing to the emergency fund, and it's $5 automatically going into this emergency fund every single week, which basically comes from whatever leftover money we had from our budget, what we don't use to budget, or the cushion that's in our account. So this is the emergency fund goal spreadsheet that I'm using to track that. And I guess that will be updated in December when I do my next savings challenge update. 10 grand savings challenge is a little different because we've spent everything. As I mentioned in the very beginning of this video, we took everything out that we had to make purchases, and we're going to start this 10 grand savings challenge again, maybe in 2022, once all of our debt is paid and we've fully funded our emergency fund for the 8 months. I know that Dave Ramsey recommends 3 to 6 months. We just feel comfortable having that nice round number. And when I calculated what the interest could be at that time, because we know interest rates in banks do fluctuate, but when I calculated the minimum interest that we could expect to receive, I feel like we would still be earning a decent amount of money on top of that $19,000 that will help us reach our goal a little bit faster and keep a cushion in that account in case we do need to use it. All right. So with all that being said, we have 43 cents in this account as of the end of October. I think it's a little more now because of interest. And again, it's in the high yield savings account, which these days is 0.8%. But 0.8% is better than nothing, in my opinion. So what I did was the savings challenge goal, I gave myself a date to reach a certain dollar amount. So you can see here in row A, or column A, sorry, row 2, April 1st, 2021 was the date I wanted to accomplish that $10,000 amount. Now, it has not been completed yet, but each time the balance changes automatically in column C from row 8 through 12, you'll see that the percentage will grow. Of course, we did have $1,700 in that account, but that's no longer. So I have to update this. I'm sharing this with you as of, I think this is actually as of the closer to the end of October. I've updated this, so I still need to make some updates. But I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like, and hopefully, if this is something that you like, you can give me your feedback. But I like using Excel as our backup because I can always go back and look at our written budgets, look at our transaction logs, because I really enjoy using pen and paper. It just makes the budget and the tracking more real to me. But having these spreadsheets helps my husband for when we have budget meetings and the completed budgets after I've done all the pre-planning and the calculations and moving money around. He likes to see it where it's just kind of get to the point, you know. I'm really into the details, but he's like, babe, what's the final decision? What's the final balance? So I like this. It really helps us, and the percentages automatically calculate. So I think it's really easy to do that. And of course, there is a section where it gives you the per month to goal amount. So how much money will you have to pay or contribute every month? And I believe this calculation is for 6 months. So for 6 months, how long, if you want to reach your goal in 6 months, how much per month will you need to contribute to the fund to make it? So this, for $10,000, we'd have to put $1,100 each month, and so on and so forth. And then I gave myself a little encouragement here. It is easy to save money, and don't give up. And I think it's easy because no matter how much your income is, whether you're making $200 a week or $2,000 a week, everybody can save. And again, we started with $5 a week, and as our situation improved, we just continued to save more money. Now there's a debt payoff tracker, and this is definitely not updated yet because 824 has just under, it has about $20 left on it as of the time I'm recording this video. Oops, what did I do? Okay. So loan 823 is paid off, but loan 824 needs to be updated. So I'll have to do that. But again, just to give you guys a view of how I track these in Excel. So these are the remaining loans that we have to pay off. And then there is no interest as of right now. Interest will start accruing again in January of 2021. So when we get to that, I'll update the interest rates for the remaining loans, which should be 825, 826, and 828. All right, because we have already projected that loan 827 will be paid off at the end of December. And of course, if it's paid in full, this number will automatically turn to 0 and the line will turn green. Okay, per month to goal amount. So basically, this is how much we would need to pay to get this paid off over a number of months. And then there's no interest paid yet, but if there was interest paid, it would be calculated in this column here. And I hope that the moving back and forth doesn't annoy you guys. I am trying to make sure that you can see clearly and move around, but not too much. Okay, so here at the bottom of column A and B, the amounts that are shown here are basically mirroring what is in column B from rows 2 through 7. So once you type in the current amount in column B from rows 2 through 7, it'll automatically change the numbers in column A from 9 through 14. Okay, and then the current balance will show up, and then any interest paid again will show up here. And then the amount left to pay off is basically the percentage that you have left. So 20%, we have 20% left to pay off on loan token 824 according to this spreadsheet. And again, that needs to be updated. And 0% on loan 823 because that was paid off in September. Yep. So this is the tracker, you guys. This is how I use the debt tracker, and hopefully you guys found some value in this video, enough to give me a big thumbs up. And if you've made it to the end, you guys are the real MVP. I appreciate you so very much. Your support, your comments, and just following me on this journey, it really means a whole lot. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and will enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live life to the fullest. Bye, guys.